I got some reviews. Girls 0790. 0790, I mean. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum and hello guys. I'm back again with another cooking video. Today I will be making the famous mincemeat. You probably saw this in my other past videos, and you can see them in my channel, okay? And I showed you the mincemeat, but not a full review. So, because this one, I'm gonna show you how to make a full review on the mincemeat. So yeah. By the way, guys, if you didn't notice, if you see my past videos, we've been using mincemeat on shepherd's pie, samosa, but I don't think I used it in curries because. So today, we'll be using mincemeat on a curry. So yeah.
And you can use this recipe in anything, isn't it?
Yes, and I'm glad we got our chili powder. Anyway, let's get this bad boy going. Guys, before we get started, you must wash your hands first, okay? Since there's this virus going on, and we must wash our hands, okay?
Yeah, and you wash your hands anyways before cooking, isn't it? Because it's just being clean.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, when it comes to adding oil, don't add too much mainly because the mincemeat has more natural oil in it. So yeah.
It has a lot of natural oils, yeah.
So yeah. Alright, guys. So first of all, as always, when you see me making curries, we'll be adding oil.
Not add too much. A bit more.
By the way, guys, when we put the gas on, make sure you put it on number 9.
Hold it down a little bit. Yeah, I think so. Close there.
By the way, guys, we won't be adding the ingredients first. Just let the oil go like this. You see those bubbles?
Just heat up a little bit.
Yeah, and then we'll add our ingredients in it. So yeah. Alright, guys. First of all, you're gonna add your ginger. You're gonna put it.
I mean, no, that's garlic.
Oh, garlic. Keep on forgetting stuff.
Go on, pour it in.
So let's get this in. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna mix it and make sure you make it brown. Alright, guys, we're going to add these ones here inside here. Look like that.
So what is each one of them?
There's bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and
that's the thing that you don't like. Can you guess what it is?
it's probably seeds.
The cardamom.
Yeah. I call it seeds a lot.
Do you like cardamom?
No, because I feel like it tastes poison.
Is it cardamom or cardamom?
It's probably
cardamom.
It's seeds.
Seeds? I don't think that's seeds.
No, it's seeds.
But yeah, so if you do a lot of curry cooking, then you find a lot of cardamom in your food, don't you, Ridwan? And Ridwan spits it out, he doesn't like it.
Yeah.
I spit it out.
Alright, guys, as always you might know this, the onions, so we're gonna put it in here. I'm just gonna careful. By the way, guys, when it comes to onions, you don't have to cut them because while you putting the ingredients and the curries and the mincemeat in there, the onions start to becoming small.
Yeah, so you only cut them a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah. Guys, next up you also wanna grate your ginger. Some people like to have it cut up here, but we usually don't want to be like that since we don't usually fit the ginger, so we just do it like this.
We grate it in, yeah?
Yeah. By the way, guys, quick note: make sure you give it a quick mix so the food doesn't burn quickly. Okay, so yeah. Next, we're going to add the salt.
Let's mix it around.
Alright, guys. Next, we're going to add the mincemeat. And I'm gonna use my hand to put it in.
Yeah, carefully.
I'm just gonna. Alright, guys. Quick note. You know when it comes to mincemeat, make sure you don't add too much water because you know how mincemeat are usually sticky. You usually don't want it to be so runny, and it's best if you keep it so sticky than keeping it very runny. So
yeah. So So when you wash it, you don't wash it like you would with regular meat, isn't it? You just give it like a quick rinse with some lemon water, and then that'll be fine. Yeah?
Now, okay guys, well now when you like break your mincemeat, yeah, you're going to like cover this up, yeah, and then leave about like I think 5 minutes, I think so, and then you have to check on it. Okay, so cover it up.
And in 5 minutes time, what we're gonna add?
We're gonna add like curries. I'm gonna go and watch Wizard of Waverly Place.
My favorite Disney Channel show because it starts with Selena Gomez, David Henry and JT Austin. Oh my god, okay.
Alright guys, so I just came back from watching the Wizards of Waverly Place. I'm gonna check on the mincemeat now. Look at that, it's gone better, so I'm just gonna mix it with this one, with this wooden one. Alright guys, next up is my favorite part, is adding the spices. So let's get this bad boy going. So we have whatever this is called.
You know what that's called, you've been cooking for so long now.
I know that this is turmeric.
Yeah, but that one was cumin powder.
What?
The first one.
Oh.
Okay?
Alright guys, now we've got curry powder. I don't know what's this one.
Coriander powder.
Coriander and chilli.
Oh, both together.
There, look how many chili is added.
No, it's a lot of chili.
Alright, when you add the spices, yeah, make sure you give it a mix so all the minced meat can like have the color in it.
Yes, so mix it really well, okay?
Alright guys, it looks the minced meat looks so good, and I'm more excited to taste it. But we're going to cover it up for like a few minutes, yeah, and then if you want, you can add a little bit of water. So yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, I just added one more thing. Is add a little bit of water, so just to like cook up, and yep, and I'm gonna like cover it up.
So you can like cook up more, so yeah.
Guys, when you like chicken on the mincemeat, yeah, make sure you give it a mix, like a nice mix, and then yeah, and make sure you like keep on mixing the water as well inside. Now I like, as you know, yeah, I added a little bit of water a while ago, and then I went back to watch Wizard of Waverly Place here. I'm going to now check it on the mincemeat. Oh, look at that, it's bubbling.
Are you gonna drop the spoon again inside?
No. Whatever guys, when the water goes in, you might want to add more water, and so it looks like more better. Because if it doesn't have enough water yet, it might look off to me. So yeah.
Looks off to you.
Yeah, let's do this. You need to add a lot of water, since when you like set it up and like ready to eat it, yeah, you don't want to like smell like the mincemeat. You only want to smell like the curry and the flavors inside of it. So yeah.
Yeah, because you know people with strong noses like me and Ridwan. Yeah, you don't want to like have the smell of the meat, otherwise it's like not really that nice, is it?
Yeah.
You blowing the? Are you eating the smoke?
Yeah.
What? How does that happen? How are you having the smoke?
Because it's nice.
The smoke tastes nice.
Yeah.
Did you put that much spice that you can taste the smoke?
Yeah.
This is the song. You might know the song.
So I got something for you. Girls 0790. Remember this year? This was from my challenge video where I went to the co-op here and bought some junk food along with me.
With whose money?
My dad, with his credit card.
Whose money did you spend?
No one cares. Look, I'm having it.
I'll take the gum out.
Yeah. Guys, look at this meat. It looks so fabulous. So what you want to do is you're gonna mix it. Actually, I'm gonna use this one.
And then what do you need to add to the meat now?
I think like these ones.
No.
Oh, potatoes.
No.
What is it?
The
Oh, water.
The water, man.
Water.
Add the water.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, now you give it a mix.
I know. By the way, guys, so I added the water here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cover it up with the lid, and then you're going to like leave it for 5 minutes here, and then hopefully we can add the 2 remaining last thing that we're meant to add. So yeah, just give it a little quick stir.
And now cover it.
So after we like added enough water, like enough here, we're going to add the potatoes, and it's all chopped up. And we're gonna put one in there. Oh, I can like just grab some.
You can just put the just tip the bowl over.
I'm scared because it's quite burnt.
Yeah.
I'll just.
About time you get those potatoes in. Yeah, you mix it around.
Yeah. Look at that, so many.
No, it's not potatoes. Look.
Come and eat them because we need to have spices.
No, but you don't want to feed the viewers raw potatoes. They're gonna get stomach aches in. Give the food to them once it's cooked, isn't it?
Alright. Alright, guys. I'm adding I added the 2 glass of water. I added the first one. Now I'm gonna add this is the last one that I'm adding, and it's just to refill the potatoes. And let me just mix it a little bit.
So you add the water
Yeah.
so that it covers the potatoes, yeah?
Yeah.
That way the potatoes can cook properly and they can get soft.
Yeah.
Because right now they're hard.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Alright, guys. I continually like added the water and giving it a stir so the potatoes are not that like rough and yeah.
They're soft, not rough.
Soft. Okay. But anyway, the last thing what we're gonna do is add coriander. So you're gonna pick up your coriander or
Sprinkle it around, okay?
Oh,
No, just sprinkle it around, it looks
Oh.
nice like that.
okay, whatever.
You whatever. Or just plop it in like that.
Alright. Yeah.
Anything works. Give it a mix. Yeah, don't break the potatoes, by the way.
I know. Alright guys, it's now finished here and it looks so amazing and I'm excited to have this for lunch. Anyway, we came to the end of the video, so by the way guys, just like you know what I said in the beginning here, you can use minced meat for anything. You can use it for the shepherd's, samosa or curry here. So yeah. Alright, this is the end. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, yeah, make sure you subscribe, like the video and hit the notification bell for more future videos and be notified, okay? And let's get this video up to so many likes and so many subscribers. By the way, you know, for the likes here, I want let's get the videos up to 50 likes because that would be amazing. So yeah. Alright guys, we've made it to the end of the video, so yeah. So if you enjoyed this video and this curry, make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel since it helps, and hit the notification bell to be notified for more future videos, okay? Before we get ending here. Come on viewers, you need to eat. Look how delicious it is. I know it's very spicy, but I hope that would be so lovely if your mouth is on fire, okay? So come and eat it.
Okay.
Nom, 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 nom.
Look real camera.
Guys, this minced meat looks so good. I'm so excited to eat it. So make sure you try it out, and I'm excited to dug into this bad boy right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye and assalamu alaikum. You know what I mean?